Growing vegetable plants from seed can save you lots of money if your seed sowing is successful. Using this method you can get peas outdoors and producing weeks and weeks ahead of having to wait to plant them in earth beds. Don't overlook the fact that you have to begin with good quality seeds that have a high germination rate. Pre-sprouting peas is the easiest way to make sure you plant viable seeds and get a jump on the spring growing. Plants that resent root disturbance when transplanted are best sown into small, individual containers like plastic cups. Recycled plastic containers, like empty yogurt, work well too, provided you've poked holes in the bottom for drainage. No matter what type of container you use, it must be clean and free of pathogens. Fill the bottom of the pots with potting soil. Be gentle handling the sprouts when planting as they are fragile and the sprout can break off. Carefully place your seeds in your soil-filled cup, making sure to leave some space between each one. I usually use 3 seeds per cup. Seeds often germinate more quickly indoors than outdoors since moisture and temperature can be more easily controlled. It has the advantage of getting sluggish seeds to germinate faster than they would out in the garden. Sprouting seeds before planting cuts down on the germination process drastically. It can take seeds 7 to 20 days to sprout in soil, whereas pre-sprouting takes 2-4 days. Once they sprout, they can be planted in the ground or containers. After sowing the seeds, cover them with your potting soil. Choose potting soil that's made for growing seedlings. Do not use soil from your garden or reuse potting soil from your houseplants. Start with a fresh, sterile mix that will ensure healthy, disease-free seedlings. Water carefully to keep the soil moist but not drenched. Don't forget to label your seed sowing. I always label my seeds with the variety and date of sowing. Plants like peas love cool weather and even tolerate light frosts, which makes them a great vegetable to sow in early spring. But if the soil is too cold, the seeds may rot before they germinate. While a seed may fail to germinate in cool soil, it will grow there after germination. Pre-sprouting the seeds indoors solves this problem. Thank you for watching.